All right, the very first thing you want to do is log into Zoom, www.zoom.com. It'll take you to their main page and click on Join a Meeting. You'll see it at the top. Next, it'll ask you to open or download. It just depends on your system. Once you do that, click on the download and it'll take you to your app store for whatever you're using. There's the Apple one there. Download that app or what you need for your computer. Then click on Join Meeting once it's installed. Once you get there, you're going to put in the meeting ID and change to the student's name. Next, it'll ask you for the password. You'll put in the password for the meeting. And then the next thing you want to do at the main screen is click on Participants right there on the top corner for this particular system. Click on your name. What it'll do is it'll bring up another menu. It says Rename. You'll want to use that to name the student that's actually taking class. Type in that student's name in this box right here, and then you'll click on Done. It'll change it to their name. Look in the corner, you'll see a mic and a video. Make sure you turn both of them on so they're not red. You'll be in the classroom, and you'll be able to start class with us.